Hi guys, so this is probably gonna be a short YouTube video, but we found a missing cat. She's right here. Hold on, I'll show you. Do you want to say hello to the camera? Okay, so we try to feed her. Wait, where is it? Yeah, it's right there. We were feeding. She was eating, but yeah. My mom's posting. My mom posted a Facebook, so like she could like if whose cat this is. So she's just gonna probably chill with us for like a little while, and then maybe we'll find the owner. So if you want me to do a part, sorry, I think I just saw a wasp, but yeah. So if you guys want me to do a part 2, maybe we can. But yeah, she's just probably gonna stay here for like a little while, but we'll probably find the owner. I said that like the second time. So I'm just gonna pet her if I can. Oh, okay. I have my new shoes on. Wait, did you see them? You probably did not see them. I can't tell if you did, but sorry if I did. This is a phone camera. Hello, you're so cute. So, yeah. I'll see you guys. Peace. Like and subscribe. And subscribe so you can have good luck for the next 2 months. Aww, she's petting the... Aww. Isn't she cute? It's not our cat though. So, it's just a missing cat. Yeah. And by the way, our other cat at home died today, so leave a like for a prayer to my other cat. Hey, no. Do you want to say hello to the strangers out there? Say hello to the strangers. Okay. So, I'm probably going to do a part 2. Maybe. Just maybe. In-N-Out burgers. I have no idea what to do. By the way, I'll make another video today. It's probably going to be a little while, but my friend is going to spend the night at my house. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the other video that's going to come out in like an hour or 2. So but yeah, I know, I can't believe it that we found a missing cat. I mean, we found this missing cat for like a day, like days ago, and then we found her again. This is weird. So, like and subscribe. Peace. Okay, not really, bye.